This is what we'll be using for the rice. You need half a pepper, half an onion. Let's start with our green pepper. For the peppers, you can go versatile and use colored peppers. You can even spice it up and add some garlic, ginger, whatever vegetables you desire. So this is how we start cutting the pepper. You dice your peppers and then your onions, and then you're gonna fry them together. If you have the red onion, you can use it, or even use spring onions, whichever type you like can still work for this recipe. Right, so this is our onion all diced up, and we're gonna get started on the rice. We're gonna heat up about a tablespoon of oil. And then we add our onion. You just fry the onion until just a little tender. We fry it on medium heat, and we just wait for it to get tender before we add our peppers. We're gonna add our pepper now. The onion has caramelized. This is the part where you can now add your garlic if you're adding some, or whatever other herbs that you want to use and vegetables. You add them and you fry. And you keep stirring. Then you can also add some curry powder if you have, some cumin, whatever spices that you desire. You can add chili pepper for a spicy version of the recipe. Now I'm adding a spoon of turmeric. You just stir it up nicely. Then later on we're gonna add our rice and some seasoning. So we're gonna add the rice now. Our veggies are all caramelized now. So we add the rice. Bit by bit. And we stir after adding until all the rice is covered. Look at the beautiful colors. It will even be brighter if you add different peppers like the red pepper or some chili flakes. Don't forget to stir after adding the rice, and you should keep the heat on low so that the rice doesn't burn. So this is all our rice. You just leave it closed for about 2 minutes so that the flavors can get through. But first, before you close it, you add some seasoning. So I'll be using this one, Aromat seasoning. You can use any seasoning of your choice. You can add salt and pepper. And that's it for our rice. You stir it and leave it on for about 3 minutes covered while the flavors are marrying in the pot. And then our rice will be done.